My name's Sian Goodson. I'm a GP here at Paralawi Family Health. Been here for about 10 years in Australia, came from the UK originally. The main challenges here at Paralawi Family Health at the moment are we've got lots of patients and we've got more demand than we can accommodate, so we need more doctors. But every day we have lists of patients on our cancellation list who need an appointment that day ideally, and we have to try and find creative ways to accommodate all of those needs. So as a GP, I face lots of challenges like all GPs do. The biggest challenge is trying to accommodate patients' needs in the short time that we often have available. Since we've started using BetterConsult, a lot of my patients are actually taking the opportunity to fill the questions in before the consult, which is great. When I go into my diary in the day, I can see very clearly who's answered the questions, then I go into BetterConsult and I can retrieve that information and then choose whether I actually copy and paste it into the patient records. BetterConsult's helped improve our practice in a few different ways. I think at reception it's very clear if people have filled out BetterConsult, they're coming to their appointment. That's really useful. And I think it just helps with patient engagement. I have recommended BetterConsult to other GPs within the group that I work with, and most GPs that use it find it really, really helpful. So yeah, I definitely recommend using it.
I'm Dr. Nikola. I've been a GP for 6-7 years. Love being a GP. I love doing mental health and skin stuff. I'm the resident skin doctor here. One of the challenges that I face on a day-to-day basis is trying to marry up the agenda. I chose BetterConsult because it really helps with time efficiency, what my patients' needs are for that day and how I can incorporate that into what I can do for them. I think the uptake for BetterConsult, like across the board, has been really helpful, and patients do come in and say that they really love being able to tell you before they get in the room and get distracted by something.
I'm Courtney, the Operations Manager. The biggest challenge I face in my role is supporting practices with appointment availability and management. It's a big challenge because we've got patients that need to get in for appointments, and it's really difficult. Once a patient books an appointment with our practice, we send them a simple questionnaire through BetterConsult, and then that information and reason for visit is sent through to best practice. We are pretty impressed with the amount of patients that are filling out the questionnaire. I would really recommend BetterConsult. It's helped transform our practice.
I would absolutely recommend BetterConsult to colleagues.
There's competition in the marketplace to recruit new GPs, and that's our biggest challenge. So any new technologies or systems or processes we can offer GPs to make their lives easier and better outcomes for their patients is a real bonus. And something like BetterConsult is just an extra tool in the box that's really good for GPs, I think.